In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to N8N, making it easier than ever to integrate your accounting needs with powerful automation workflows. Connecting these two platforms may seem a bit daunting, but by following these straightforward steps, you'll be linking them together in no time. Let's start by accessing the credentials within the N8N interface. On the main dashboard, you'll find a handy menu on the left-hand side. You want to click on the Credentials option here. This area is like your toolbox, where you'll store all the secure keys and passwords necessary to link N8N to various other services. Once you're in the Credentials section, the next step is crucial. You need to create a new set of credentials. Locate and click on the Create New button. This action will initiate the process of linking Xero with N8N. As you proceed, you'll have to determine what type of credentials you'll be setting up. Since we're focusing on Xero, you'll want to select Xero as your credential type. This selection ensures that N8N knows precisely how to handle the information you'll be inputting. Now, it's essential to choose the right authentication method to establish a reliable connection. For this integration, we'll be using OAuth 2. Opting for OAuth 2 provides a secure way of connecting your Xero account to N8N, protecting your data as you automate your tasks. Once you have decided on the authentication method, it's time to set up your OAuth 2 credentials properly. To do this, you'll need to head over to the Xero Developer Console. Here, you'll follow the detailed instructions provided in the Xero Credentials documentation. It's crucial to adhere closely to these instructions to create the necessary OAuth 2 credentials effectively. And don't forget, while you're setting this up, make sure to enable the Xero API for your project. This step is vital as it grants N8N the permissions needed to access your Xero data. With the OAuth 2 credentials ready, we can now return to the N8N platform. In the credential configuration within N8N, you'll need to fill in three critical pieces of information: your client ID, client secret, and OAuth 2 redirect URI. Each of these serves a particular purpose in establishing a secure connection and ensuring N8N can communicate effectively with Xero. Finally, after entering this information, click on Save to store your Xero credentials securely in N8N. By saving these credentials, you ensure a seamless and secure connection between the two platforms, paving the way for efficient automation of accounting tasks. And there you have it, the steps to connect Xero to N8N. Following these steps not only saves you time, but also opens up a wide array of automation possibilities in managing your accounting operations. With everything set up, you can now enjoy the seamless integration and enhanced workflow management capabilities that result from connecting Xero with N8N.